Hello and welcome back. It's December 17 and we're now ready to start working on our partridge. It's taken us 17 days to get here, but it's going to be worth it. If you're enjoying our partridge in a pear tree, you can get the other 11 days of Christmas on my website. Lords are leaping, the drummers drumming, we've got pipers piping, we've got calling birds, everything, okay? It's all there. So have a look on the website and you can get the other 11 days. Now for this section, for the 17th, I'm going to use the friction pen again, and we're going to echo that line there to get the curvy shape of this bird's chest. We want it to look very rounded. So the feathering patterns we're going to do here will be in keeping with that curvy line. Now you might have heard me speeding up the machine halfway through that little section there. It's actually very hard to have the machine going slowly when you're doing a very small design. You actually want that machine to be going a little bit quicker so that even though your hands are going slowly because you're trying to create this little intricate pattern, you still want that needle going up and down. So I could feel myself sort of almost fighting the needle. I sped up my foot pedal and it certainly became a lot easier for me. I'll tell you what, whilst we're here, let's just do a little something on his foot. There we go, just 3 little curvy shapes there. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.